Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Imagine having a personal teacher who guides you through your learning journey, helping you save time and learn new things. Sounds cool, right? Well, with Google's AI Studio and its live camera option, this is now possible. In today's video, we'll explore how this feature lets you interact with Gemini, share your screen, and even ask questions in real time. While I'm using a video clip from another YouTuber to show you the demo, since I'm recording my screen so I can't share my live camera, you'll get a clear idea of how this works.
You know it. I want to bake some chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so you are planning to bake chocolate chip cookies. Do you have a specific recipe that you will be following, or are you using a general recipe?
Can you share a general chocolate chip cookie recipe?
Sure, here's a general chocolate chip cookie recipe. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of.
Oh, nice. Okay. And then what should I preheat my oven to?
Generally, you'll want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Have you ever heard of the Kevin Cookie Company?
Haven't heard of the Kevin cookie before. Could you tell me more about it?
You need to get out more. Can you tell me about this label?
Sure, the label is for a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. It is made in China, and the material is 100% cotton. It says to wash dark colors separately and to dry promptly.
The live camera option, along with other cool features like getting assistance with software or reading billboards in different languages, makes AI Studio a powerful tool. We'll dive deeper into these capabilities in future videos, so stay tuned.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your feedback and suggestions help us create more content that you'll love. Thanks for watching.